Okay guys, today we are looking at how to decompose fractions. Decompose is a word that we see not only in science but also in math. It's just kind of a fancy word for break apart. So the ability to break apart something. In this case, we're breaking apart fractions. We're going to break apart this fraction 4/6. And we can do that in 3 different ways. This first way can be seen right here. So I'd say this is the first way. We could do 1/6 plus another 1/6 plus another 1/6 plus another 1/6. And that would equal a total of 4/6. Or we could do like the second line here. Now see, I've put these 1/6 together so they equal 2/6. So 2/6 plus another 2/6 would equal 4/6 again. And then on this third line here, that's a bad 3. Ooh, it's a very ugly 3. You get it. I have 3/6 because these 3 pieces are together. 3/6 plus 1/6, and again that equals 4/6. So that shows us 3 different ways we can decompose the fraction 4/6. It can be decomposed into 3 different kinds of addition problems. So on your work today, you're going to work on these slides a little more in just decomposing some fractions, and then you're going to have a work page book. Oh my gosh, a workbook page to do. All right, sounds good? All right, I'll do one more example for you on the next slide without the video, and then you'll take it from there.